So whenever you do open house with the parents of your student, are they ever like, is there anything I can do with little Johnny over the next 3 days to get them ready for the first day of school? And we as teachers, we're like, oh yeah, sure. Just like learn everything from last year that they forgot over the summer in like 3 days. If you want a resource that you can give the parents that they're never gonna use, but you're prepared to be like, yeah, I've got something for you. If you wanna go over and review this, make sure your student knows all of it. Plus you're like subtly telling them where to find how to do the stuff. I've got that for you. I'm gonna show you what it is. I call this a Google student checklist, and you can clean stuff off here if you like, say you don't use Google Classroom or whatever, but it's got things that the parents are just like, walk through with your student. They can be like, do you know how to do this, kid? And they'll be like, yeah, and they mark it off. And if they don't know how to do something, they can just click, and it's a YouTube video showing them how to do it. I don't know, thought it might be helpful. Got Google, YouTube, Google Meet, Docs, stuff like that. Things students need to know going into school. If you want it, I'm gonna show you how to get it. Just go to the link in my Instagram, says get free templates here. Then after you put your email address in right there, boop, it's under back to school. Check it out, Google Student Checklist. All right, happy learning. More free stuff all summer. Okay, bye. I'm sorry.